Summary: The Real McCoy, First Chapter. Juan Camilo Lopera Pitalúa. Fiona and friends heard Gordon, Duncan, and Hyder went to Scotland to a former castle it had been converted in the April a hotel. I was long be it. Uncle Fiona said, look at the photo of Lord McCoy. Be it though he did in the room. This time he was rock on the very night. No, one sleeping is no. She was the wing with and the bird are dead. When Fiona said, making the kill and lock until the ace, penetrate your main, Duncan said the Lord angry. Gordon said, where you whose story Jisker and bring attention. When down you sleeping in Lord McCoy to make them watch and love. Duncan was planning scaring Gordon with McCoy was the girls in you at was funny. Gordon called the head McCoy face about its head, yet the head fell and slept state. When in the way McCoy came in with his and Gordon called Ram, who escaped up the ring and it was unrained. Sim, I will announce yet sleep again. Gordon ring again. It was time he was painting. He was a young man, and head scared and low, and Gordon was McCoy. Lance Gordon walked in again. Word and change and it was in this bedroom door and on came lurking the was door is the hot face summary under the bed hung moving towards in Gordon was very faint. Canting is was found the key and opened the door. He ran up the door. Clem was summoning to beg him and saw the oven to aim had the jumped and stayed at the living room door. Begging Gordon was Duncan, and the girls learned about this carry their hind friends. The girl Islam Duncan was like up similar and I saw it here were McCoy. But Duncan never sitting and their love. I had any so I'm very located in the Lord McCoy photo. I thought him as was no slot. There nothing. I was Fiona side, Lord, a picture. And you said you liked and you found before the Lord came and picture. Judas dream the next husband was a table, and about it was big slot. Yes, it's the Gordon said. The four friends looked at the photo, which is like Lord McCoy. Lurking in the rain, skin was lame and the white face, new and very cold, and black slime. Two ghosts in my room was the real McCoy Gordon side.